Hi, my name is Cihat Gündüz. I'm the developer of RemafoX, and if you're watching this, you want to use a project that was already configured for RemafoX. I will walk you through everything you need to know to make full use of RemafoX in your project. First, make sure you've downloaded RemafoX from the Mac App Store and started it once. Next, simply double press the file ending with .remafox within your project, the config file. When doing this the first time for a pre-configured project, the quick setup window will appear. Press quick setup, which opens the system panel. Just press allow without changing anything. But if this is the first time you're using RemafoX in any project, there are 2 or 3 more things to do. RemafoX is deeply integrated with Xcode, but this integration needs to be configured as well. The first step is optional and depends on if your team makes use of machine translations or not. If your team does make use of machine translations, you need to set up their API keys. You can do so under Machine Translations in the config file by pressing Setup API keys. Second, we need to make sure that the Xcode Source Editor extension is enabled. To do that, open the Settings app on your Mac and search for Extensions. Then, select the Xcode Source Editor entry and check the box for RemafoX. If there's no Xcode Source Editor here, rename Xcode and name it back to Xcode. Unfortunately, that's a common issue, and this is a common workaround to fix it. Lastly, to conveniently add new strings in Xcode, let's set up a shortcut for the extension. Open Xcode's Preferences, navigate to the Key Bindings tab, and filter the list by RemafoX. Double-click on the right side of the Add Translation at Cursor Position entry and enter your preferred shortcut for triggering the Add Key workflow. I use Option-Command-L. From now on, you can easily add new translations right within the Swift file using this shortcut. And that's it. Note that now, each time you build your project, the RemafoX build script will do its work. To learn more about how to use the Add Translation workflow effectively, watch the next video. If the video doesn't start automatically, you can always find it under 2.remafox.app/workflow. If you come across any issues or have questions, make sure to use the Help menu in the app. Thank you for watching.